Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Ford Explorer 3.5 turbo. So right now the problem is with the check engine light, and I'm going to show you the code. So there's 3 codes right now. So this one's for the air fuel ratio sensor, bank 2. There's a same code again, bank 2, sensor 1. So sensor 1 is upstream before the cat, sensor 2 would be after the cat, so that's at the bottom, that's downstream. So the main concern for the customer is they just want to replace, they just want to fix the air fuel ratio sensor. They're not worrying about the crank ventilation, but I'm gonna check that also. So right now I have the engine running, and I'm showing you the data on bank 2 sensor 1. You can see how the milliamp right here, it's reading dead steady. The number is not changing at all. You see how bank 1 sensor 1, the reading goes up and down as I read it, but you can see the bank 2 is completely dead. The number just stays steady right there, you can see. So sensor bank 2 sensor 1 is bad. You're gonna take out the engine cover right here. So for the crank ventilation disconnected, when I checked it, everything is fine. The tube is fine, everything is tight on this end and also this end too. This one's kind of slightly loose. I don't know if this is normal or not, but to me it seems normal. The line is okay, no crack, nothing, still tight. So this is the PCV valve. This is for the code right here. This is the valve. But for the engine, I'm gonna show you the O2 sensor is right here. So this is the turbo right here. This is the top one. The sensor 2 would be after the cat. This is the cat. So this is sensor 1 before the cat on top. Now for the firing order for this model would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 is bank 1. 4, 5, 6 is bank 2. So this is bank 2, left side in the front. So this is the air fuel ratio sensor. And then I also bought the part here. This is the part number right here. This is OEM Motorcraft from Ford. It's gonna cost you around like $150, I believe. For the O2 sensor, the connector is right here. So I'm gonna pry in to the sensors on the bracket right here. Pry it down. There you go. And then you know, press on this part right here. I need stronger finger. There you go. And then I'm gonna use my O2 socket, and then I'm gonna break loose the O2 sensor. Now I'm at the bottom of the car, so this is sensor 2 right here. You can see this is a cat. Sensor 1, sensor 2, that's the cat. So I'm gonna break it loose. Dang. Ooh. There you go. Break them loose. This is my old one right here. This is my new one. Everything is exactly the same. Same connector. Same everything. Yep. Everything's the same. So all I gotta do is just put the new one in. Now I have my new sensor in. I'm gonna tighten it down. So I'm gonna tighten it down. So this is tight. You're just gonna snug it a little bit more. There you go. Don't have to be too crazy. And then I'm gonna plug back my connector. I hooked the wire back to the bracket right here. Now since you're here, check out the O2 sensor connector. Make sure this one on this side, the wire is not broken or damaged. Check the pin inside, make sure it's not bent or corroded. If it's good, just plug it back. I'm gonna plug this back, and then I'm gonna put it back on the bracket. Oh, come on. Why is it so hard to do with one hand? There you go. Click. And then I'm going to mount it back to the bracket right here. There you go. It's back on. There you go. Make sure the wire right here is not touching the exhaust. Because if you're touching the exhaust, it's going to melt the wire. So hang it on the bracket right here, and then I'm just gonna put the engine cover back. Now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code again before I clear it. There you go, that's the code right there. Again guys, so this is the crank ventilation valve, the valve that I show you guys. So the customer concern is the air fuel ratio sensor. They don't care about the crank ventilation, so I'm gonna clear it. Code clear, exit. I'm gonna turn off the car. I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna show you the data. So I'm gonna show you the data. Go down to O2. I'm gonna give it a second. There you go. You can see the numbers start changing now. See, goes up and down. You see the number start changing now. You see that? Before it was completely dead. It stays at 0.020. So now it's reading the air and fuel mixture going out. So you can see it's going up and down right now. So this is a easy diet, guys. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.